The angels have a crucial message for you. This period of separation between you and that special person is essential. Despite the physical distance, the connection you share goes beyond space. Both of you have important lessons to learn on your own, but the spiritual bond remains strong. He knows this, just as you do. You feel this truth in your hearts, even without direct communication. You, moved by a deep feeling, sense that he is thinking of you. In a mysterious and inexplicable way, you remain connected in thought and spirit. The time has come to close a chapter. Direct communication no longer exists. However, after releasing the heavy energy that surrounded you, both of you are now facing the possibility of a vibrant new beginning. He is, at this very moment, thinking of you. He imagines a future by your side and reflects on the conversations you've had, analyzing where things began to deviate from the desired path. Within the context of a soulmate relationship, separation brings a sense of injustice and intense frustration, especially of a sexual nature. There is a strong desire to be physically together, but for reasons beyond your control, this is impossible right now. The feeling that, when you close your eyes at night, his image appears vividly and persistently in your mind. Sometimes, you find yourself speaking aloud as if he could hear, sharing thoughts and feelings you wish to express directly to him. There is latent frustration between you, stemming from the inability to share the individual challenges each of you faces. This frustration is mutual. You feel this limitation deeply, and so does he. This reality highlights an ongoing battle for what you both truly desire and value in life and love. The persistence of this connection, despite the difficulties, is undeniable proof that he still maintains hope and determination. For him, the possibility of never speaking to you again is unthinkable. A considerable amount of time has passed since the last time your voices met in conversation, and this prolonged silence only aggravates the frustration. Beyond the disappointment of not being together physically, there is an underlying emotional restlessness. You realize that even if you tried to establish an emotional bond with someone else, it would not bring satisfaction. Your heart is not ready for a new love, because it still beats to the rhythm of the connection you share with him. This reluctance is not just a rational choice but a deep echo of your being, whispering that replacing this intimate bond would not be right, nor would it feel the same. There is always a deeper layer, an essence that may not be marked by overwhelming passion, but is based on the recognition of an undeniable desire for a genuine and lasting connection. Even in the face of repeated challenges and relentless obstacles, you find within yourself the resilience and determination to face these adversities. You deeply miss this person and often wonder why you are not together. For him, this separation also feels counterintuitive, as if every moment away from you is precious time wasted, and you share this feeling, sensing that every second apart is a second lost. This sense of urgency and need is even stronger in him. He carries within him a powerful force, a creative flame that distinguishes him. Whether in creating music, writing poetry, executing projects, or any other form of art, he demonstrates an exceptional ability to channel his creative energy in ways that capture the admiration and respect of everyone around him. The intensity and passion he puts into his creations are palpable and reflect his burning soul. Often, this passion is not limited to the personal realm but extends to his career, which he treats not just as a job but as a true form of art. Facing the present and accepting that you are not with this person at the moment can be extremely challenging. The physical distance between you, however, does not diminish the deep emotional bond you share. This circumstance, although painful, offers a unique opportunity to practice self-love. This person played a crucial role in opening your eyes to your qualities, showing you how extraordinary you are. He believes, without a shadow of a doubt, that you are the most amazing and fabulous person in the world. This is a fitting time to reflect on your self-image and how you communicate with yourself. When things don't go as expected, it is essential to recognize and value the special connection you have with him. He is not just someone in your life, he is your person, the one with whom you share not just moments but also dreams and challenges. The absence of communication is not a void but a mirror reflecting the need for self-control and personal growth. It is a call for you to focus your energy on developing yourself holistically, mind, body, and soul. You may feel on the verge of losing all hope. It has been incredibly challenging not to be beside this special person, and even more painful is the lack of communication between you. However, it is essential to understand that this period of distance is a crucial opportunity to value yourself and combat any tendency towards self-deprecation that may arise due to these particular circumstances. You may have created narratives in your mind, questioning your own appearance or personality, perhaps imagining that this person left you for someone they found more attractive or lovable. But the reality is quite different. This person, in fact, loves you deeply and thinks of you constantly, without the slightest doubt. What does he see in you that you haven't yet been able to see in yourself? Recognizing your worth is a fundamental step in this journey. The love he feels for you is genuine and reciprocal, reaffirming that the connection between you goes beyond the spiritual. It is intensely emotional. However, the path to achieving your desires and fulfilling your dreams with him by your side is neither simple nor straightforward. This process of realization does not occur instantly. It is common to look at others and feel a twinge of envy, noticing their seemingly perfect and effortless lives. However, it is vital to understand that each person's journey is unique. Yours with him, although full of challenges, is deeply meaningful and undoubtedly leads to mutual growth that cannot be replicated in any other relationship. Your reunion, despite all the obstacles, is inevitable, and this certainty resonates in every fiber of your being. Even if those around you doubt your actions, judging them as irrational, continue to be guided by that internal energy that demands attention. You have shown admirable willingness to face discomforts and seek a deeper state of balance. Achieving this balance requires a sincere commitment to self-development in the here and now, accepting that, no matter how much you desire it, it is not possible to be with this special person at this moment. Understand that this journey of self-knowledge and personal growth is still underway. With perseverance, you will reach the deepest desires of your heart and see your most intimate dreams come true. The road ahead may seem arduous and full of challenges, but prepare to face it with courage and determination. If you are hearing this message and feel it resonates with your essence, stay alert, as new opportunities are forming on the horizon. Be ready for new communication, a rebirth of possibilities. Soon, something significant will be activated, perhaps a simple message or an unequivocal sign that this special person is thinking of you and is ready to take a step forward in your relationship. You will find yourself comfortable again in his presence, rediscovering each other, even if the reunion may be marked by some tension, as both of you have changed and evolved since the last time you were together. This change, though it may seem challenging, will bring revelations and clarity that will illuminate the darkest corners of this shared journey. Finally, you will receive the answers you have long sought and the light needed to dispel the shadows of doubt that may have accumulated during the period of separation. Always trust your intuition and listen carefully to what your heart is trying to tell you. The path ahead may present challenges and not be easy, but it is crucial to understand that the authentic connection between you is undeniable and deeply real. Believe firmly in the journey you both are sharing, a journey that, although unique and filled with its own complexities, is rich in growth and discoveries. Trusting in yourself is the first step to navigating this path with confidence and clarity. Know that in the end, the strong bond between soulmates has the power to overcome all adversities and obstacles that may arise. The love you share is a powerful force, one that not only unites but also heals and transforms. Both of you have everything needed to transcend this phase of separation and reunite in a new chapter of your lives. Love is a powerful energy that, when truly anchored in reciprocity and mutual respect, empowers both to face and overcome challenges, no matter how insurmountable they may seem. Therefore, as you continue on this journey, allow yourself to feel every emotion, understand each experience, and grow from them. It is perfectly normal to feel somewhat out of control at times, for love has the power to activate all our senses in ways rarely experienced in other aspects of life. However, remember that you are not crazy, you are just experiencing the depth of true love. Give yourself the space to breathe and the permission to forgive yourself for any perceived failures or missteps along the way. You have the right to move forward and leave behind any energy that feels toxic or overly painful. Always listen to your intuition and follow what your heart says, for your heart knows the way. Stay firm in your belief that the love and connection you share are stronger than any temporary separation. This is not just a journey of love, but also a journey of self-discovery and acceptance. Trust that in the end, the connection between you will triumph, allowing both to reunite with a deeper understanding and renewed commitment. This is the true power of love, to transform, heal, and unite souls in an irrevocable way. The journey may not be perfect, but it will be valuable and meaningful for both of you. Believe in this connection and the love you share. And remember, you are worthy of love and to be loved. If you agree, manifest, I accept all the purpose and destiny reserved for me by God and the universe. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the upcoming inspirational messages. We look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will elevate our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will envelop the world. Be attentive to the next important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe continue to illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.